Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox another purse from my course. So I've got it on semi-annual sale, and here is the box. Wow, it's so big. Let's open it. Here is one bag. So this is the bag I've got. It's my course Fulton, something like that. So it has strap, and the strap has here something like this, and here too. And here it says my course, I guess, and my course logo. It might be loud. Papers. Dust bag, as in each bag comes dust bag. Papers. And more papers. And inside it looks like this. So it reminds me of my old makeup. So this bag looks like this. Only annoying stuff is that this will be loud. I don't know if I like it. Otherwise it would be cool. But this stuff makes so much noise. Maybe I get used to it. And then inside it looks like this. So it has different, only slightly different than my older bag, because here it has one slip pocket instead of two. Here is zipper pocket that you open like so. And model name is called Mica Kors Fulton Hobo leather black bag. And here it comes with this. This pocket is so not too big, not too small. And on the other side we have 3 slit pockets, but 2 are really just for narrow, just for like pens. And here you can put some cards, and here you can put phone and a key fob. I like in this model that it comes with top zipper, so it can be easily zipped. And I like gold tone hardware, it's really nice, as in my older Mica Kors. Yeah, zipper looks fine. So then it looks like so on top. But I often, my other Mica Kors Julia, I was wearing open, and I think I will take the long strap from my Mica Kors Julia to this one, and then I can wear it as a crossbody, because otherwise it will be only like shoulder bag. But yeah, and on shoulder it looks like so. watching. If you like such videos, then give thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.